Hello Palangga! Welcome to Teacher Lynn's class. Today, we will discuss lessons in English for the third quarter. These are our goals for today. Spell words in CVC pattern. Using clues to answer questions, clarify understanding, and justify predictions. Creating or expanding word clines. Recognizing synonyms and antonyms. And recognizing made up and real. Are you ready to learn? Let's go! Let's review. Write the beginning letter to form a new word that names the picture. What is the missing first letter of the name of the picture? The correct answer is letter T. Table. T. What is the beginning letter of the name of the picture? The correct answer is V. Vase. V. What is the beginning letter of the name of the picture? The correct answer is P for pot. P. What is the beginning letter of the name of this picture? The correct answer is J. Jar. J. What is the beginning letter of the name of the picture? The correct answer is R. Rug. R. Are all your answers correct? Excellent! This is our first lesson for today. Spelling words with short A, E, I, O, A sound in CVC pattern. Let's read first this story. Peg's Pet is the title of our story. Are you ready now? Let's begin. Peg's Pet. Peg has a funny pet. Peg's pet is a cat. The cat is fat and brown. Peg likes her pet cat. Ben is the cat. Do you like pet cats? Let's answer some questions based from the story. Number 1. What is Peg's pet? The correct answer is Peg's pet is a cat. Number 2. What is the color of the cat? The color of the cat is brown. Number 3. What is the name of Peg's pet cat? The name of Peg's pet cat is Ben. Do you like pet cats? Did you answer the questions correctly? Super! Let's discuss this. In the story, what are the underlined words? How many letters each underlined word has? Where is the vowel letter found? Where are the consonant letters found? What do you call these letter combinations? Let us read all these words. Cat, rat, ham, bag, van, tan, hen, jet, web, bed, pin, pig, zip, kit, bin, pot, pop, log, mop, dog, sun, bug, mug, hut, tub. These are called CVC word pattern. CVC words are 3-letter words that follow a C for consonant, V for vowel, and another C for consonant. CVC pattern. These are the vowel letters in the alphabet: A, E, I, O, and U. These are the consonant letters in the alphabet: B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, and Z. For this activity, look at the picture. Type on the chat box the letters to form the correct names of the pictures. For this example, what is the name of this picture? Dog. D-O-G. Dog. How will you write the correct name of this picture? P-E-N. Pen. What are the correct letters of the name in this picture? T-U-B. Tub. What are the letters of the name in this picture? R-A-T. Rat. What are the letters of the name of this picture? M-U-G. Mug. Did you answer it correctly? You rock! For this activity, say the name of the picture and write the word with the correct spelling in the chat box. What is the name of this picture? Bat. How will you write the word bat? B-A-T. Bat. What is the correct spelling of the name in the picture? Web. W-E-B. Web. What is the correct spelling of the name of the picture? Kit. K-I-T. Kit. What is the correct spelling of the name of the picture? Log. L-O-G. Log. What is the correct spelling of the name of the picture? Bed. B-E-D. Bed. Did you answer all the words correctly? You the best! Our next lesson is using clues to answer questions, clarify understanding, and justify predictions before, during, and after reading. In order to answer questions, clarify understanding, and justify predictions about the story you just have read, you should know that reading is a process that includes 3 phases: before reading, during reading, and after reading. In before reading, the reader should establish in the mind the purpose and plan for reading. In during reading, the reader should think about how to make connections of what is being read, monitor their understanding, and activate prior knowledge. After reading, the reader should think about before reading and during reading phases in order to summarize, question, reflect, discuss, and respond to what is being read. So for this activity, we will read a story about Andres. For before reading activities, do you have a friend who is healthy? What makes him healthy? What kind of a boy is Andres in the story? You will find the answer of this question once you read the story. This is during reading. Read the story carefully, then answer the questions that follow. Andres. Andres is a grade 2 pupil. He has good set of teeth. His eyes are clear. His hair is thick and black. His skin is smooth and clean. His hands and legs are strong. Andres can hear well. He does not get sick easily. He is always happy. The following are the questions that you have to answer. Number 1. How can you describe Andres in the story? A. Sickly. B. Healthy. C. Pale. D. Weak. The correct answer is letter B. Healthy. Number 2. What kind of teeth Andres have? A. Incomplete teeth. B. Good set of teeth. C. Big flat teeth. D. Sharp pointed teeth. What do you think is the correct answer? The correct answer is letter B. Good set of teeth. Number 3. Why does Andres not get sick easily? A. He eats a lot of candy. B. He eats plenty of meat. C. He eats instant food always. D. He eats the right kind of food. What do you think is the correct answer? D. He eats the right kind of food. Number 4. What should you do to make yourself healthy? A. Eat more meat. B. Eat instant food. C. Eat the right kind of food. D. Eat plenty of junk food. What do you think is the correct answer? The correct answer is letter C. Eat the right kind of food. Number 5. What do you think the teacher would say about Andres? A. He is slow and lazy. B. He is weak and pale. C. He is weak and sickly. D. He is healthy and strong. What do you think is the correct answer? D. He is healthy and strong. For our after reading activity, list down 5 things that you do to make you healthy. Write this in the chat box. For example, washing hands before eating. That was nice. Good job. What do you think is the picture all about? Correct. It is a calendar. What are the things that we can find in the calendar? The things that we can find in the calendar are the name of the days of the week and their numbers. What is the name of the animal in the picture? Correct, it is a caterpillar. Have you seen a real caterpillar? Before reading a story about caterpillar, let us fill in the charts of the food that you have eaten this week. Do you remember what are the foods that you have eaten? When you are very hungry, what foods do you eat? Very good. What did the very hungry caterpillar eat? Let's find out in the story. While listening to the story, fill in the chart of the foods that the very hungry caterpillar have eaten. Are you ready to listen to the story? Let's begin. The Very Hungry Caterpillar by Eric Carle. In the light of the moon, a little egg lay on a leaf. One Sunday morning, the warm sun came up and pop! Out of the egg came a tiny and very hungry caterpillar. He started to look for some food. On Monday, he ate through one apple, but he was still hungry. On Tuesday, he ate through 2 pears, but he was still hungry. On Wednesday, he ate through 3 plums, but he was still hungry. On Thursday, he ate through 4 strawberries, but he was still hungry. On Friday, he ate through 5 oranges, but he was still hungry. On Saturday, he ate through 1 piece of chocolate cake, 1 ice cream cone, 1 pickle, 1 slice of Swiss cheese, 1 slice of salami, 1 lollipop, 1 piece of cherry pie, 1 sausage, 1 cupcake, and 1 slice of watermelon. That night, he had a stomach ache. The next day was Sunday again. The caterpillar ate through 1 nice green leaf, and after that, he felt much better. Now, he wasn't hungry anymore, and he wasn't a caterpillar anymore. He was a big, fat caterpillar. He built a small house called a cocoon around himself. He stayed inside for more than 2 weeks. Then he nibbled a hole in the cocoon, pushed his way out, and he was a beautiful butterfly. Now, let's fill in the chart of the foods that the very hungry caterpillar have eaten. On Monday, what food did the caterpillar eat? 1 apple. What food was eaten on Tuesday? 2 pears. What food was eaten on Wednesday? 3 plums. What food was eaten on Thursday? 4 strawberries. On Friday, what food was eaten? 5 oranges. On Saturday, what foods did the very hungry caterpillar have eaten? On Saturday, he ate through 1 piece of chocolate cake, 1 ice cream cone, 1 pickle, 1 slice of Swiss cheese, 1 slice of salami, 1 lollipop, 1 piece of cherry pie, 1 sausage, 1 cupcake, and 1 slice of watermelon. Now, you must write your answers for the following questions. Who was very hungry? Do you think it was a good choice for him to eat all that food? Why or why not? What could he have done differently? Are you like the caterpillar who eats a lot of junk foods? Is it a healthy habit? What does the caterpillar turn into after emerging from the cocoon? Do you think you are similar to the caterpillar? In what ways are you the same? Will you also be a beautiful butterfly? Why do you say so? Did you answer the questions? Very good! You're a star! Our next lesson for today is creating or expanding word clines. Word clines are words that have the same or almost the same meaning. These are the examples of word clines: small, little, tiny, big, large, huge, long, tall, high, happy, glad, gay, sad, unhappy, lonely, fast, quick, speedy, wide, spacious, roomy. Study the underlined word and the word clines of the given word. The bamboo plant is tall. The word clines for tall are high, long, lengthy. The ice cube is cold. The word clines for cold are icy, chilly, frozen. These are some examples of word clines: happy, glad, merry, joyful, kind, good, caring, considerate, bright, intelligent, smart, clever. For this activity, complete the word line by writing the next word of the same meaning to expand from the first word written below the line. The word clines for warm are hot, boiling, burning. What are the word clines for quick? The word clines for quick are fast, alert, speedy. Did you answer the clines correctly? Very good. Now, we will discuss what are synonym and antonym. What are synonyms? Synonym is a word whose meaning is the same as that of another word. Synonym, the same. What are antonyms? Antonym is a word that means the opposite of another word. Antonym, opposite. These are examples of synonyms. Auto, car. Baby, infant. Rest, relax. Cup, mug. Servant, helper. Happy, excited. These are the examples for antonyms. Stop, go. Kind, cruel. Boy, girl. Create, destroy. Heavy, light. Woman, man. For this activity, identify the pair of words in the sentence having similar synonym or opposite antonym in meaning. Number 1. Kara looks pretty during daytime, but she becomes ugly during nighttime. The opposite words or antonym are pretty, ugly. Number 2. The green mango tastes sour, while the yellow one tastes sweet. The opposite words or antonym are sour and sweet. Number 3. My teacher is scared of swimming in the ocean before, but now she is already brave. The opposite words or antonym are scared and brave. Number 4. Jayla is a wise dog. Ayla is smart too. The similar words or synonym are wise and smart. Number 5. Tina is the best chef in town. Her friend Anne is also a good cook. The similar words or synonym are best and good. Did you identify the words correctly? You're the champ! Our last topic for today is identifying real and made up. What is real? They tell us about something that could happen in real life. They present facts and talk about true events. These are the examples. Jose P. Rizal is a Filipino hero. The cat meowed loudly last night. What is made up? They are called made-up statements because they stretch imaginations and they are fun to read. The characters can include talking animals, made-up monsters, or people with made-up characteristics. These are the examples. The fairy granted her wish. The genie helped him achieve his dreams. For this activity, write R if the statement may happen in real life, and M if the statement is made up. Number 1. I want to buy wings and fly high up in the sky. The correct answer is M. Made up. Number 2. You can find different plants in the forest. Is it R or M? The correct answer is R. Number 3. Cows give milk. Is it R or M? The correct answer is R. Number 4. Batman saved the world. Is it R or M? The correct answer is M. Number 5. Christmas is celebrated every December 25th. Is it R or M? The correct answer is R. Are your answers all correct? Because of that, mission accomplished. I am happy that you have attended our class today and learned with me. Stay safe.